hear me?
Oops, I took that off. Oops. Count. Things.
I have it.
Yeah, it's on the back side. Meeting basics. What?
Right.
I'm trying to.
We're doing this by ourselves, right?
Yeah, for the most part. I'll go back in a second and help. I was looking how to.
Wait, so which numbers, like the numbers in the front side or the 532?
The 532.
They're the one.
Basic facts 20.
Okay. Okay.
Let's watch our pledges because we didn't watch them yesterday. We'll watch our pledges and then we'll...
Can you do the one that has a mask?
Oh yeah, the one that has a mask. I said I was gonna watch the one that has a mask. Right, that's on him. Ah, stop! What's this guy? Learning Adventures. Oh, I don't know what the mask is.
Why don't you just subscribe to them?
I don't know.
There should be.
I don't want to play. I don't know what this is. I just played. Where's the one with the mask? Was it Pledge of Allegiance, right? Pledge.
For kids.
Looking for the one with the mask, though. Oh, here he is.
Okay, there we go.
He's got a mask.
Hey friends, it's me, Charlie. You like my mask? Huh, pretty cool, huh? Kinda makes me feel like a superhero. Anyway, how are you? I know a lot of you are doing school at home now, so I wanted to make this special video so we can all say the Pledge of Allegiance together. I'm making videos for classes all over America, and if you'd like a special message made just for your class, then check the description for more info. All right, enough chat. You guys want to say the pledge? Let's go find the flag. Here we go.
Oh, I'm gonna totally do that.
All right, awesome. There it is. So when we say the Pledge of Allegiance, the first thing we do is we stand up, okay? So if you're able, I want you guys to quietly stand up. Shh, quiet, quiet, no need to talk. All right, so we stand up and then you take your right hand and you put it on your heart, just like that, okay? Now, you guys ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hey, great job, everyone. I know it's difficult trying to do school at home. You're looking at computer screens and whatever. You miss your friends, you miss your teachers. It's tough. But, you know, saying the pledge reminds me that we are one nation, indivisible. That means we're united. We're in this together, and we need to be patient. We need to take care of each other, okay? So I hope you all have a great day today, and I'll see you soon, all right? Bye.
That's cool. I'm gonna see if we can get.
Mr. Hernandez, is this kindergarten school? Or kinder? I didn't even realize he was a monkey.
Is there kindergartners at school? Yeah.
I thought the mouse was an elephant. Enjoy Charlie the monkey. There's a mouse for some reasons, and I thought it was an elephant.
I understand the school has your return. I do want to limit the potential impact these screens. As such, I mean,
At least if you're gonna do stuff in the bottom, at least just turn off your camera plus share screening.
this is so cool. You can request him to say a personal message from your for your class.
Wait, you can? Wait, can you do one?
I could. Let me see what it is. This is like
Yeah. That's awesome. We have our own pledges. Oh, this is
this is what it would look
Hi,
like.
friends. Charlie here from Classroom Learning Adventures. We're going to start the day with the Pledge of Allegiance, but first, I want to send a special greeting to all my friends at Coral Reef Elementary School in Palmetto Bay, Florida. Ha! How are you? I heard you all are super students who love to learn, and that is amazing. All right, let's go find the flag. There it is. There's
That's
our beautiful
cool.
flag. All right, you guys ready? Okay, we're going to say
that little shout out. Whenever you send a message, you can also tell them that we've been doing your pledges.
That's cool because then it would just say like Hawk Wilson Elementary, and that's cool. We could play the same.
Yeah, that's.
I'll look into
You
that.
do one?
I'll look into. That's cool.
And also, we can tell them that we've been watching your pledges for like a whole month.
Place your right hand over your heart. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one
state
under
God,
one and
indivisible.
please wait for a moment of silence. Thank you.
Cool. All right, let's get back to our basic facts 20. Let's fill in these multiples. This is helpful for our division too. What's multiples of 7? 7. What's next?
7, 14. 7, 14.
20 what? I heard 21. Got it. 21. What's next? Come on.
28.
28. If you need them. You can barely
30.
30 what?
35.
35. Come on. What's next?
42.
42.
42.
Come on, Antonio, come do this. 6. What are basic facts?
6, 12.
6.
18.
Mm-hmm.
24. 30. 36.
Come on, Antonio.
Your thing's blurry.
Is it?
No, it got better. Yeah, it got better.
What about for 4s? 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
All right, somebody else besides Natalie. They're up here, your 8s.
It's because Miss Guerrero, she would make us like remember the facts
Good.
with songs.
Then you got your 8s up here. Come on, somebody else. What are our 8s? Our multiples of 8?
16.
Mm-hmm.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64.
9s. Who's into the 9s?
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. I just give you all the answers.
No, I want somebody else to give me the answers.
What about? Can I do one?
Go ahead, Mariah. What are our 9s?
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54.
Good job.
Because right,
Yeah, that's right.
it goes 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 81. What's the bottom part, Miss Hernandez?
We're gonna do the multiples of 6.
You mean 12?
Nope. Oh, we did the 12 already. 12, 80,
Oh, we circle them?
20, yeah. Or you can highlight them if you have a highlighter nearby. Whichever one.
It's 1284.
Come on. Oh yeah, that one.
72,
Mm-hmm.
120, and 36.
On that clipboard. What are the multiples of 6 at the bottom?
Do. Wait, we're doing the 6 one? 6.
Yeah, 6. We already did some of them.
4. Do 24.
24. What else? What's 12 times 6?
And also,
12 times 6.
12 times 6 is 6, 12, 18, 72? 72, yeah.
What else? What's 6 times 7?
6 times 7. 40, wait. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Right?
What's 6 times 7? I have my chart up there.
Wait, okay. 42.
Do we see any more of
Mm,
as multiples? I don't think so, right?
no.
The only other one would be 90. 90 because it's 15 times 6 would give you 90.
Yeah.
3. Right, yeah, 90. That's the only other one.
That's it.
If you have copied, did you get this down?
Yes.
You have to know your factors for division. So if you're struggling, division's going to be hard. Harder.
Division's the thing that when you stay right there because I didn't get to finish.
Yes. Yes. Division's what we've been working on all week long, where we separate into groups, hopefully equal groups. We're going to also do basic facts 19 on the other side. I'll explain it in a second. Did we get it copied down? Keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Next week when we're doing testing, or when we're testing, your camera should be on, especially next week. So whether you want it on or not, when we have that testing next week, your cameras are gonna have to be on. So get used to it. I should be used to it anyways. I know there's a few of y'all that have stuff going on in the back or siblings, and I know who y'all are for the most part. There's a couple of y'all. Zoom in a little bit here. Zoom. Oh, I didn't do fluency today. Ah, I need to do some fluency. I have to do something in a little bit. I should have done it right now. There's a few of y'all. Let me see who's done.
Miss Hernandez. It keeps kicking me out and putting me back in, but I can't really hear.
Make sure your volume's all the way up, because I don't know why it would. It's probably just going to keep doing that for today. I don't know. Just do your best to stay in. A few of y'all I'm going to put in a breakout room with me, and we'll do some fluency while some of y'all are finishing this. Let's see. I think we did yesterday. Breakout room. Manually create rooms.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. You know what? Never mind. I'll do it later on. I won't do it right now. Let's move on with math. All right, the backside, 19.
Actually, it wasn't done.
Oh, who wasn't done yet? Oh, I can't do it if I'm not sharing my screen.
Miss Hernandez, he had turned off his camera because his brother came and did something.
That's
So
fine.
that's why he had turned it off right now.
Yeah, that's fine. RJ, let me know when you're done. Okay. Backside. We'll do one of these. So, number 1, choose 2 of these numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Identify and color the multiples you choose. Use a different color for each one. So we're gonna identify the multiples of, we'll just do one of these. We'll do one number instead of 2. Which number do y'all want to do? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or 11? Which number? 3?
5.
5?
9.
We're all over the
5.
I hear 5. I hear 5 twice. We'll do 5. So if you don't have a highlighter, it's okay. We're gonna go through and find the multiples of 5. So we're gonna count by 5s. So 5. What else?
10.
All right. I want to hear somebody other than Natalie.
15.
I heard somebody else. 15. Oh, right here. 15. What else? What?
20.
20.
20. 25. 20. 25.
Uh-huh. I heard somebody say 30.
There's no 25.
Yeah, I got 25 right here. What else?
45. 30.
45. I'm like all over the place trying to find.
50.
50. Did y'all say 35? Y'all said 35. 40. What? Somebody's phone's ringing.
Yes.
Somebody's phone's ringing. What else after 50? What's after 50?
55.
Huh? What's next?
55.
Yeah, what else?
60.
60. And what?
65.
I don't think that's on here. What about 70?
70.
And 75? What's after?
75. 80. 85.
I don't think.
90.
Yep.
95. 100. Okay, after
105, right? And then 110, and then 120. So you have to highlight all of those. Ooh, that's interesting.
it looks like an H.
Oh, you forgot these down here.
It looks like tic-tac-toe.
It does. I'm trying to see if there's any more in between. I don't think so. Yeah, it looks like. Yes. Somebody had a question.
It was me, Zildjian. It's very buffery and it keeps taking me out and putting me back in.
Okay. Yes, just do your best. If it keeps messing up, then I might have you just log off and do the Nearpod by yourself, okay?
Okay.
Give it about 10 minutes and see if you can.
So we're gonna do new.
Oh, not you. I was talking to Zildjian. We're working on our.
Oh, okay.
We might do it later on, probably around 10-ish. If we do our Nearpod, I would think. Yeah. All right. What about the next one? Which one do we want to do for the next one? What number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think we should challenge ourselves and do a hard one. 12. All right. Multiples of 12 are what?
24.
12, 24. What else?
36.
36. Besides Natalie, come on.
48.
This one's going to be all over the place. I can tell you that much. What else? 48. Then what's next?
60. 72. 84.
Mm-hmm.
90.
Hmm?
Oh, I mean 96.
Is it 48?
100.
108. Hint, hint. They're all going down this way.
120. 132. 144.
So 12. Oh, this way. It's random ones because two. I think that's it. All right. It's got random ones in there. Let me know when you're done so we can start on problem solving.
You done?
You done? Done. Are you done? I'm gonna move it. Guessing everybody's done. I'm moving it. Oh yeah, I wasn't doing. Problem solving 20. Our last problem solving. Problem solving 20 in your red. Red problem solving. Why are y'all so quiet? Y'all been too quiet lately.
Okay.
Woo! Yay. Problem solving.
I get on problem solving.
Problem solving red.
Lady Hacking. I'm there.
Problem solving.
Food. Cheese. Okay. Problem solving what?
20.
20. Your thing is blurry. Okay.
I know, I'm fixing it.
20A?
Yes, 20A. All right, a landscaping company has 56 trees and 48 bushes to paint in a new city park. The park will have 4 different kinds of trees with the same of each kind. How many of each kind of tree will be planted? Natalie, do not say it. What's the key word in that question? How many of each kind of tree will be planted?
Oh my
How
god.
many? How many?
Okay, that's part of it, but what's the key word that's going to tell us what we're going to set up? What's that?
Each.
What are we going to set up? Beans and cheese. So it's telling us we're looking for which part of get? What does our question say?
How many each kind of tree will be
Yeah.
planted?
I think we're looking for T.
I circled the word. What are we looking for?
Each.
Each.
So E.
Yes, which means we're going to do what?
Multiplying.
What's over here at the E? I put the symbol, what we're going to be doing. It's not always multiplying. And
Dividing.
I can tell you, it's not always going to be multiplying. Now that you know how to divide, or you're supposed to be knowing how to divide, you're going to get a lot more division problems. Okay, so we know we're looking for this one right here, and we're going to be dividing, aren't we? Now let's go see what numbers we need out of our question. So we're looking for how many of each kind of tree will be planted? 4. We know 4 is going to be, I guess, our groups. We know that. And what else? We're looking for trees.
56.
I heard somebody say 56. So, and we've already said we're going to be dividing. So 50.
We need 48.
Yeah, we can get rid of that. 56 divided by 4. You don't have to write your multiples down here. I'll write them for you. So that factors and multiples. 1. I think 6 will be good. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay. Oh. There's so much divide. I'm putting it down here. Does McDonald's, sell
Does
burgers?
McDonald's sell burgers?
McDonald's sell burgers. So,
DMSB.
I wrote it at the bottom because I don't have any room up here. So, we're going to divide first. 5 divided by 4. Remember, we're looking at our multiples, not our factors on that side. So, I'm covering them up. What's the closest we can get to 5 without going over?
4.
4. Bingo. So, we're going to put our little line there. We're going to lasso that 1 in there. We're going to put a 1 up top. And then we're going to multiply. 1, what are we multiplying? Let me see if y'all remember. What 2 numbers are we multiplying?
56 and 4.
Nope. Wait, somebody said 4. 4 we are multiplying, but what are we multiplying for? What?
I mean,
4 times what?
4 times 1.
4 times 1. Up here, remember? I'm going to play that song. So 4 times 1 is what?
4.
4. And then we're going to subtract. 5 minus 4 is what?
1.
Uno. Okay, now we're going to bring down our 6. We're going to start back over again. And 16 divided by 4. What's the closest we can get to 16 without going over? It could be the exact.
16. And it's going to be 3.
Vida, what'd you say?
That was me, Natalie.
But I heard Vida first. What'd you say?
16.
16. Beans and cheese. Yeah, it can be the exact number there. Sometimes it will be the exact number that you're dividing over here. Not all the times, but sometimes it will be. So what number goes up top?
4.
4. Chloe, good job. Now we're going to do 4 times 4 gives us what?
16.
16. And then we get 0. Do we have a remainder?
No.
Our answer would be 14. That was a lot of work on this problem. You'll have a few like this on your test.
How many?
You'll have a lot of word problems. That's for sure.
Okay.
But they will look something like this probably. We're going to go over them in a few minutes. I'll leave this up here. Leave the chat alone. Leave the chat alone because I'm figure out how to disable this chat.
I know Coach disabled it.
I know, I have to figure it out. I'm going to figure it out in a few minutes and do it. Because y'all don't leave it alone.
Are you on your camera?
Are y'all done copying this down so that I can move on to the next one?
Yes and yes.
Some of y'all are done and some of y'all are not done. So, Miss Foray drove her car 184 miles the first week and 168 miles the second week and 152 miles the third week. What is the number of miles she drove the first 2 weeks? What is the number of miles she drove the first 2 weeks?
Okay, so.
I hear somebody, but I can barely whoever's talking.
Okay, so she is kind of like each. 168.
I don't even have 158. I have 168.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay, 168. We need 168. What else do we need? We're looking for the first 2 weeks.
152.
152 the third week.
And then we're gonna be doing get. So
Where's each at? I don't even see each in there.
you said she.
What is the number of miles she drove the first 2 weeks? Wait, we haven't even figured out what other number we need yet to set up get. How many miles did she drive the first week?
184.
184. We don't need this one. I don't see each in here anywhere. It says, what is the number of miles she drove the first 2 weeks? It's not get. Huh? Did you say something? It's not get. We're looking for the total amount of miles she drove the first 2 weeks. What are we going to do? What's the total amount of miles she drove the first 2 weeks? What are we going to do? Add, subtract, multiply, divide? Come on, don't be afraid to answer. Nobody knows what we're doing with those two numbers?
Can we use calculator?
Well, I want to know what we're doing with those two numbers first before you even think about a calculator. Mariah, do you think you know? Are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? If we're looking for the combined number of miles she drove the first 2 weeks, what are we going to do? Add, subtract? What?
We're gonna add.
Yes. We're going to add. We're looking for our total. Mariah says we're going to add these two. And she is right. What do you get when you add those two numbers? What do you get when you add those two? Oh, there you go.
Mom, what page is it?
Problem solving, it's 20A, it's in the red.
Okay, he's gonna do it right now.
352.
What was that, Chloe?
352.
Yes. $352. Good job, Chloe.
I got that answer.
Hey, well, you aren't answering when I'm asking y'all. Come on. We're going to go into skills 20 next. Remember, we have a fire drill at 9 here in class, so I'm just going to mute y'all so y'all don't hear it, and then we'll be back after shortly. Y'all finished so I can move on? Yes? Yes, no, maybe so. Okay.
Miss Hernandez, it's almost time.
Oh no.
Okay, I found it.
Skills 20. It looks like this. It's got troop members. It's in the green. Skills 20. Frequency tables, again, one more day of them. You will have one on your test. I know that's for sure. Frequency tables. Frequency tables, did y'all find it? Come on, I don't want to start if you're not there. Frequency.
Found it.
Okay.
Wait, where is it?
Skills 20. In the green. Can I find it? Yes.
I found it.
Remember, keep your cameras on. Besides like RJ, and I think Ray. He's got siblings around. The rest of y'all, keep your cameras on. I'm gonna start kicking y'all out of the meeting. All right. The frequency table shows the number of tubs of cookie dough sold by different members of the Boy Scout troop. So, how many did Nicholas sell? How many did 17?
17.
17. How many did Caesar sell? Didn't we do this? Oh, we did this one yesterday, didn't we? No.
Yeah, but no, we did different ways.
How about
Oh yeah, we did do this one.
how many did Caesar sell?
9?
Hey, count again.
6.
8.
8.
Yeah. Aiden, how many did he sell?
14.
14.
14.
How many did Brandon sell? He sold a lot.
22.
You won one of those rewards where you sell, you sell things and you get rewards. Kevin.
13. 13.
Ooh, Ian, I think he won.
24.
4. Ooh, these are some hard questions. Oops, sorry. Number 1, how many fewer tubs did Nicholas sell than Ian? Fewer than means we're going to do what? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Fewer than.
Subtract.
Good job. So we're going to subtract Nicholas and Ian, right? What do we get? 24 minus 17. What do we get?
7.
7.
Mm-hmm. Number 2, how many troops sold fewer than 14? So that means less than 14 tubs. Who can tell me?
Caesar. Kevin and Eden and Caesar.
I guess you can just put Kevin. It's a weird way to spell Kevin. We said Caesar. And then somebody said, who else? That was it. Fewer than 14. So
And
less than 14.
Kevin, and then there's Caesar.
That's it.
And then there's
That's it, isn't it? Only these two. Less than 14. Remember, if they would have said equal to or less than 14, you would include Aiden. Okay? It says fewer, so less than 14. How many? Ooh. Number 3. How many tubs of cookie dough did Caesar and Kevin sell combined? Combined is telling us to do what?
add. To add.
So we're going to add Caesar and Kevin. What 2 numbers are we adding?
24 and 22.
What? Caesar and Kevin?
13 and oh, wait. 13 and 8.
13 and 8, Mariah. You looked at.
Oh wait, cause I thought they were the ones that had the most. That's
Nope,
right.
it's a combined, so we're gonna add. That's
Never mind.
sign. So we said 13.
At least they know the fire drill's gonna be in 2 minutes.
What?
Somewhere it's like it might be a minute or two late, but it should be coming up soon. What's 13 plus 8? Not 11. You forgot to carry your 1. I heard.
Well,
I heard Chloe. 21. Ozzy, you forgot to carry your 1. That was all you did. Oops. Remember to add your 1 when you carry them. Do we have this? Or y'all need a minute to copy it down? Y'all have it? Yes, no, maybe so?
I have it.
Okay, just making sure, because then y'all, I don't have it. Oh, we still need this. I'll keep mine up here so y'all can see it, because I don't know if y'all's is, oh, I guess it's the same way. It says, which 2 members sold a combined 39 tubs of cookie dough? Ooh, who thinks they know what we're going to do here? Add, and we got to figure out which one of these 2 members gives us what? 38 tubs. Who thinks they know which 2 people are going to give us? So we know we're going to have to add 2 numbers here. We got to figure out which 2 will give us 39. Got to figure out which 2 will give us 39. Who thinks they know which 2 are going to give us 30?
So like 2 combined.
Yeah, 2 people. So like will Caesar and Nicholas give us 20 or 39?
Hey, I found the answer.
Who did you get? What 2 names?
That equals 39 is Nicholas and
I think I
Brandon.
like it.
She says Nicholas and Brandon. Let's see. 17 plus 22. Will that give us 39? Somebody add them real fast and see if that gives us 39.
Yes, it does.
So then
It gives you 39.
it would be Nicholas.
And Bryson.
Brandon, right? Brandon?
Yeah,
Brandon.
Bryson.
So,
I guess the fire drill's gonna be like 2 minutes late. So I'm just covering my ears.
I'm going to mute y'all anyway. So, number 5. How many more tubs did Aiden sell than Caesar? What are we going to do there?
Sure.
Somebody said it.
Subtract.
That
And Caesar, so we're going to subtract 14 minus 8. More than is going to tell me we have to subtract.
4. So we do that.
Gives us 6.
It gives you 5.
Try it again.
It gives you 6.
I mean, I was just doing 4. 6. Never mind.
Ms. Hernandez,
It's 6.
it's 2 minutes past our fire drill.
Okay, Jacob, I can't control when they
What fire do we have again?
I don't control when they do the fire drill. I just know we're having one. Number 6, the boys were asked to create a bar graph to represent this data. This graph was created to show below. Is this a different question? Oh. Draw in the missing bars for the bar graph to represent the correct data. Oh, okay. So we're missing Aiden. How many did Aiden sell?
24.
What?
14.
14. So we're going to put in 14. And Ian, how many did Ian sell?
24.
24.
He's way up here. He's
Oh, you got the top one.
like almost at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, he's way up there. My thing's all crooked.
Wait, isn't he supposed to be on the very top because he's 24?
Right here. 24 stops right there at that line. That was-
Oh.
my line's super crooked. I like frequency tables. They're pretty cool.
That scared me.
Me too.
Exactly, that scared me like I was coming high with it.
I seriously almost jumped out my chair.
I guess I can start drawing.
Me too.
See you later.
I'm a thief frog. Okay, I'm a thief.
1 second. That's all I hear.
No, is it not?
He's gone. It's probably gonna take an hour. Hey, now we can talk. Since I think of that here.
I'm already done drawing it. So I don't know what to do next. I'm just kidding.
Wait. The teacher went.
Yeah, she left. She took out Antonio outside.
Yeah, that's some fun to do.
Turn your cameras back on. Come on. It's done. It's over with. Luckily, y'all are muted. They wouldn't turn it off.
That was cute.
Okay.
That was quick.
Division page 4. Ooh, sorry. It's in concepts, division 4. I think it's like one of your last pages. Division 4. Come on. It's one of your last pages, if not your last page. I was going to use some of these problems here. Y'all find it? Come on. Y'all find it? Division 4. It's like one of the last pages, I believe. Right, Antonio?
That's our last page, then test taking skills.
Yep. All right, it's the last page. Thank you, Michael.
The rest of it is just test taking skills.
That will be tomorrow, mañana. Hold on, I'm trying to pull up my word problems.
Yes, I'm on.
Okay.
Which one are we in? Concepts or?
Concepts, come on. It's the last page before test taking skills. Michael told me his binder's pretty much put together all the time, so I believe it. You know, I'm going to give y'all props because for the most part, y'all have kept your binders together and haven't lost them yet, so. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so for the most part, y'all are doing pretty good. I'm surprised I haven't lost pages yet. I was expecting it. So, all right. I wish I could show y'all this, but I don't want to keep going back and forth. So, I'm going to write factors for y'all, but y'all don't have to write them. So, or, yeah, I'll write them for you. I won't make y'all write the factors. Let's do 96 divided by 6. Right? 96 divided by 6. Write that in there. I'm not going to read, but I'm going to do. Okay. Y'all are going to help me here. I'm not going to make y'all write these, but y'all are going to tell me the multiples. So factors, multiples of 6. So 1 times 6 is what?
6.
6. What's the next one?
12.
12.
18.
Next one?
24.
4.
30.
30.
36.
36.
One more.
And 42.
42. Okay. So, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Gotta write it twice because there's 2 numbers under it. This week you will have to write it twice. So what are we going to divide first? Who wants to tell me? Who wants to take a crack at it? Maybe. What 2 numbers are we going to divide first? Come on.
9 divided by 6.
Yep. How many times can 6 go into 9 without going over on my multiples chart?
6.
Not 6 times, but it goes into what? It goes in how many times? Right here somewhere, doesn't it? Isn't it between 6 and 12?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so somewhere's in between here, and then we'd come around and we'd lasso our 1 and put our 1 over the top. Come on, y'all need to be paying attention and participating. Tomorrow you have a math test over all of this. And I'm going to be doing very little helping y'all. I'm not going to work out every problem for y'all. So, it's important you know how to do this. We divided, now we're going to multiply. 1 times 6 is what?
It's 6.
6. And then we subtract, right? Where's Natalie at? Let's see her. And then 9 minus 6 is what?
3. Then we bring down the 6.
Bring down. Good job, Either. You're getting it. Now we bring down our 6. And then we're going to start all over again with dividing. So 36 divided by 6. What's the closest we can get on our multiple side? Next to it or
36.
36. So we put our little line and we loop our 6. Where does the 6 go?
At the bottom
Up.
above 36.
Up.
Wait,
Where does the 6 go?
1?
On the top. So then 6 times 6 is 36 because we divided, now we multiplied. And then we subtract. What do you get?
0, so we have no remainder.
0. We have no remainder. Good job. I wish you could do. Maybe I'll just have y'all do these in a. If I don't show y'all how to do these, y'all won't do
If we did these for our basic facts instead.
Okay. I want to show the word problems because I want y'all to see word problems. Okay, 80 divided by 5. 80 divided by 5. What are our multiples of 5? Starting with 5. 5. What's the next one? Come on.
10.
I want somebody else. Come on.
15.
15.
It would be 15 fives.
Next one.
20.
Zildjian, do you already?
25.
Come on. We're doing our factors.
25.
25. 30. And then 30.
35.
Perfect. Good job, girls. So, oh, we forgot to put our does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Or sell burgers, my bad. Does McDonald's sell burgers? Who wants to try to tell me what two numbers we're going to divide first?
8 and 5.
8 and 5! Yes! 8 and 5.
Because we can never divide 0 from 5 because it'll be redenied.
Or not yet. Not yet. Hold on. So, 8 divided by 5. What's the closest we can get to on the multiple side without going over? What's the closest?
5?
5. I heard Chloe, I think, in the background. Yeah, it would be somewhere over here. We'd make our loop-de-doop, our 1. 1 goes on top. Now we got to multiply. 1 times 5 is what?
5.
5. 5 goes down here. We're going to subtract. What do we get?
From 8?
8 minus 5.
8 minus 5.
3?
3. And then we bring down what?
The 0?
paper's stuck. Hold on, my paper's stuck. My paper's stuck.
Bring down the 0.
Down your 0. And then 30 divided by 5. What's the closest we can get to 30? Equal to or closest without going over?
30.
25.
It can be equal. It can be equal to on this one. So can we go up one more, Chloe, and get to 30?
30.
30. We'd go. We can stop at 30. It's okay to be equal to. We want it to be equal to because that means we have no remainder. So 6 would go on top. So 16 or 6 times 5 is what?
30.
Mm-hmm.
So 30 minus 30 is 0. So then the remainder.
Remainder again. Let's do another word problem. Gosh, I want to do
We have no remainder.
a tough one. Okay. 50. Sorry, I was looking for a problem. 58 divided by 6. 58 divided by 6. What? What are our, let's do our multiples first. Our multiples are 6. 6, what's next?
12.
12, what's next?
18.
18. 24.
4.
30.
8.
36.
6. And then 42.
7, 20, 42. So, besides B, what two numbers? Oh. Are we going to, remember, if the number is smaller, like up here, let me give you this thing. If the number outside this black, the little house is smaller than that first number, we can divide. Can we divide 6 divided by 5?
Yeah.
If the number on the outside is smaller than the number on the inside, can we divide that? Do we have enough
No.
to share?
No.
No, so then you would have to put a 0 there. I'm skipping. So 0 times 6 would be what? Not a trick question.
0.
0. I'm going to skip ahead. Oops, I forgot to do this. This is McDonald's, so burgers. So when we multiplied, now we're subtracting, we get 5, and we're still going to bring down our 8. So now, 58 divided by 6. Oh, I didn't go far enough. 8, 56, isn't it? No, 8, sorry. 8 times 6 is 48. And then 54. And then it's what, 60? Okay, sorry. Okay, 58 divided by 6. What's the closest we can get on our multiple side without going over? 58.
It's between 54 and 60. So 54.
So it'd be 54. So we put 9 up here, and we do 9 times 6 is what? What's 9 times 6? 54. Uh-oh, what do we have here?
A remainder.
We have a remainder.
It's
What's
4.
Hmm?
We have a remainder of 4.
We have a remainder of 4. Oh, did they move it? They moved it. They moved it. What? Oh, it's today, wasn't it? It got moved. Beans and cheese. Never mind. Never mind. It got moved.
What got moved?
Got moved, I guess. At least I think it did. Hold on. Hold on. Let me check to make sure real fast. Yep, it got moved. Let me mark this down, otherwise I will forget. Oh, I guess what I can do is I'm only gonna give the ones that have been answering a break. Ooh. How upset would y'all be if I did that? All right. Some of y'all would be upset because y'all haven't been answering. The same 4. Be back here at 9:45. Got it? What time are you coming back?
9:45.
9:45, and we're gonna be working on this. See you in a few minutes.
Bye.